Making toilet training fun is a challenge, and it's one I'm going to face today with a toilet training throne. Welcome to Adeline Redesign. I'm Adeline, and today I'm going to be redesigning this dining chair into a potty training throne. Things that you'll need if you would like to join me: a sense of humor, a drill, a jigsaw, and a dining chair that is wood, as well as a dining chair that has preferably vinyl seating, and preferably that seat can be removed. That way later you can replace it so that it goes from being a potty training throne into just their regular throne. The potty seat choice is up to you. This one is the color that I want, and it's also portable. Your Majesty's parents can easily put this in their purse and take it along for travel or just to restaurants, what have you. And it has suction cups on the back. That means that it's going to be easy to suction to the vinyl, and also it will be easy to move it from the potty training throne to what the peasantry uses as soon as Your Majesty is comfortable becoming a commoner. Center of the seat, we're going to drill into and then use a jigsaw to make the correct size, and you'll want something to seal off the moisture from that hole. Because we don't potty train for very long, you can get away with using duct tape. The chair's going to be, the legs are going to be cut down so that it's comfortable for Your Majesty to sit on, and then after that it'll be about decorating it into the throne. The color of this seat is the color that I want the entire throne to be pretty much. After I spray paint that, I'm going to be adding gold accents. So far, that's my plan. I might go further, who knows. I hope you join me as I fun around and find out how to make a potty training throne. Okay, well, now that we're home, what? What is this? Some kind of throne. And it comes with a note. Dear granddaughter, I thought you might want to be princess of a potty. Well, this is very fancy, but I don't know if you're ready to be a princess of a potty. What a beautiful crown. I get it. So you wear a crown when you sit on the throne, but I don't know if you're ready to be princess of a potty. If you want to try it for a couple of minutes, that's okay, but do you think you're ready to be princess of a potty?